Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be review this stunning half pure chiffon sari. Guess what it only 650. The half pure chiffon sari feel incredible soft against the skin, and the beautiful embroidery added elegance touch to the overall design. I am really impressed with the intricate floral pattern and fine craftsmanship. It gives this sari a luxurious look without breaking the bank. The color selection is also fantastic. This sari comes in multiple vibrant shades, each one perfect for different occasion and mood. The length and width of this sari are ideal, providing enough fabric to create stunning plaits while still being comfortable to wear. The light and flowy nature of this chiffon fabric make this sari a joy to wear. It allows for gracefully movement and an ethereal charm to look your look, and you can style this sari in countless way depending on your personal taste. Pair it with traditional jewelry and matching blouse to complete the look. For such a fantastic price of only 650, this half pure chiffon sari offers unbeatable value in term of quality, design and versatility. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and stay stylish guys. See you in the next video. If you want to purchase this sari, then also link is in description box, so you can check it out. Till then, bye, take care and thank you for watching my video.